Tough enough, I don't care how much it is.
It's like engagement you go into. Afternoon, Mr. James. Any changes or?
So just one change there to note as a result of workshop last week. So the second, if you make a note that's 9 a.m. till 4:30 instead of 12:30.
I won't be here, please note my apologies.
Yeah, thanks, Mary. Sorry,
The second, so start time is 9 a.m.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Busy next week.
And that'll go through all day.
I need to put my apologies in for the January workshops. I will be in the South Island.
Under your terms and conditions of contract.
Otherwise I'll bring my grandchildren here and they'll growl at you because they haven't gone to Kaipura.
No other changes that I'm aware of.
Okay, can we have a mover, please? Resolution. Thanks, Councillor John, seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried. Item number 16, meeting schedule 2015.
So this is the opportunity to have a look at what next year's meeting schedule's like and to be able to forward plan in terms of diaries and for the community to know what's happening. Really, any comments, happy to take those, and not much change based on last year. I think it seemed to work reasonably okay.
Okay. And now and again we were having external locations too, like we had a meeting in Turangi.
Yes, and we were going to have this meeting in Mangakino at the marae, however it was booked for today.
Oh, was it?
So we'll try early in the new year for Mangakino.
So we carry on with that. Any other questions or queries? Too far ahead to worry about that. Okay, all right. Thank you, Tina, for providing that information now for us. We have a mover for that resolution. Thanks, Councillor Parker, seconded Councillor Jollins. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. It's carried. Item number 17, members' reports. I'll table those. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, Your Worship. I'd just like to mention regarding the Regional Transport Committee that I attend on your behalf. I've got to go digging somehow. The draft Waikato Regional Land Transport Plan 2015-2045 has been adopted and is out for submissions, and the submissions close on the 15th of December. I know that Dennis is not here, but we have gained some improvements on the original draft, and I'm quite pleased with it at the moment, where the Bully Point and south of Taupo State Highway has got some improvement in terms of the upgrades and in this long-term plan. I'm not sure, but there's some investigations. Also, the Regional Public Transport Plan is also available for submissions. The other committee that I'm on, the Upper Waikato Liaison Subcommittee, they've changed the title to the Upper Waikato Catchment Committee, or Subcommittee. So I just thought I'd like to mention those, Your Worship.
Thank you, Councillor Hickling. All the other members' reports have been taken.
Yeah, good.
Thank you very much. All your attendances on those vast meetings and activities, much appreciated. That we have a good spread out there, and people try to get as much as possible. So thank you very much. All right. suggested resolution there that members' reports be received. Thank you, Councillor Jolland, seconded by Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. All right. Now, we'll probably have a break, but we'll move into confidence first. That's the end of the public part of the meeting. Thank you very much. Nice to see you all here. And ka kite. And we'll just move into confidence now.
Just before you do, Mr. Chairman, could I just, you may have seen in the paper about this quiz night on the 6th of December. If you want to form teams of 4, probably some of our councillors could look like we're bright. We've got 4 staff at the top already. It starts at 6 o'clock at Mulligan's on the 6th and goes probably for an hour and a half. It's for a good course, English language partners, raising funds for a multicultural festival in February.
6th of December. Anyone can go to that?
Probably all year. 6 o'clock.
We have got quite good success in this area. Haven't attended the last one.
Oh dear.
Haven't attended the last one, but I'll come back to you.
Yeah, just get Timmy Cods in.
I'd love to help, but I'll be away. So I know my brains will be desperately needed, but they just won't be here.
You got a team in?
John's to help as well.
Okay. Okay, if we could, for the reasons outlined there, move into confidence, please. Thank you, Councillor Park. Seconded by Councillor Harvey. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.